National Mosque KLCC Kuala Lumpur is a well-known attraction in the city. Crowds of fellow tourists keep visiting this main mosque almost every day. The mosque is worth visiting as it's being a very beautiful mosque with incredible architecture. It's also very easy to get to as it is the stop of hop on hop off bus too. It has very quiet and peaceful prayer hall with very modern building and very clean and beautiful grounds. While entering, they give you a special cloak to wear as a part of Islamic tradition. Also, you have to take off your shoes too. Unfortunately, you cannot enter the main hall if you are not a Muslim. So whenever you go over there, feel the divinity and enjoy your trip. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe by clicking on subscribe button below. If you enjoyed this video, do click on like and do not forget to share the video. I will be back with a new video with you very soon. So bye for now and see you again.